Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, Head Currency Analyst. In today's video, we're going to take a look at dollar CAD. I like where price is from a technical position, so I thought we'd break down this market and see what we get this week. Now, just going from technical perspective, price is at a decent area of support. So around about 1.3 is the area of support. So if I just change this to a blue color, and we get that 1.3 in here. Again, if you right click, go to parameters, you can set those levels like whole numbers, and we can see looking left, dollar CAD really reacts well down at this 1.3 level, and most recently price has formed a lower low but a rejection candlestick after forming that lower low at that 1.3, closing bullish on the week. If we actually just take a quick look at the RSI indicator as well, we have a potential higher low after forming a lower low on price. This is what we call divergence, and what this typically leads to is a reversal in the market. Now, what I typically look for then is what's the 4-hour trend doing, what's the daily trend doing. So if I go to the daily chart first, how is price reacting? Well, price is still technically looking more on the bearish point of view, and the reason being is just that most recently price is actually on the short side of things in terms of it's broken through these lows through here. Now, typically when the market makes lower lows and lower highs, if it's going to continue to in that trending formation, it will continue to bounce from key areas and continue to move on at that point. Now, price is at a bit of a predicament though, because we've bounced off 1.3 key level. We can see that divergence on the weekly time frame, and price is now kind of just making its way back down. So what we could expect here is a double bottom pattern. Okay, one of my favorite trading patterns is a double bottom pattern, and if the market comes back down into this 1.3 again, rejects, and even better, we continue to get RSI divergence on this daily time frame, or at least you know, if it takes that low out, we'd get some RSI divergence. That would be really good in looking for a reversal at that point. Okay, another thing we can look at, and what I'm quite keen on as well, is 4-hour trend. And typically when the 4-hour trend changes, we get a nice decent move out of the market. You can see up here when we get that change in trend on the head and shoulders pattern, market breaks through. What does it do? It comes back up, it retests that neckline, it drops further. Price has now come into this area, it's broken to the upside. Are we retesting this area of structure here, that 1.380, for further upside? Now again, what I'd look for are those key reversal patterns at this point. Do we have any kind of double bottom pattern? Do we have any kind of inverse head and shoulders pattern? Do we have anything here that suggests that buyers are re-entering the market? And if we do, that's when we can start looking at our trading strategies, because at the moment we're just building that market environment. Is the market environment correct for us to even consider taking a position? And I do quite like this area just through here. I've actually just put a line there. We can see most recently the market has used this as support and resistance. This 1.3080, 1.3090 area is looking okay for some further opportunities. So again, you can be on the hourly, you can be looking for a change in cycle on the hourly. If you want to be a little bit more aggressive, we could be looking at this 15-minute time frame, looking for maybe a break above this high in particular through there, and if price breaks above that high, you could be looking for a short-term long position. But essentially, dollar CAD has my interest. It's at a huge supporting point. Can we get some breaks to the upside? You know, we're coming towards the end of November or middle of November, start of December. This can be a time where trends are starting to develop in the market. We're at a huge support point. Are we going to get that breakout that we're looking for? Let's see what happens with dollar CAD this week. Could be an interesting chart to watch. Have a little look at the weekly, daily closes, and we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching this video update. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll speak to you soon.